Okay, then you're probably going to want to make me the host, or can you do that? Can you handle the host part from your end? No, it's not streaming yet. You'd have to do that from your end. I don't even know if we have to do that anymore. Okay. Magistrate. Romulus is texting me, asking me, where are we?
Hello, Magistrate.
Morning.
Good morning. Oh, let me turn on the video on, please. All right. Oh, can't hear you, sir.
No,
I hear you now.
Okay. Good morning. Al Hindman, the magistrate. This is the Romulus arraignment this morning for a Benjamin Lee Stephen Williams, correct?
Correct.
Complaint and warrant on a felony warrant signed, correct, Sergeant?
Correct.
Does this individual have an attorney or no?
You opted for no attorney?
I don't have one present, probably like that.
I didn't opted no attorney.
He's saying he would like to have an attorney now, Your Honor. Magistrate.
So Maria is in the background. She's going to have to set that up. So we're going to hold off on this arraignment until he speaks with MIDC, correct?
You want to speak to an attorney, or you want to represent yourself?
Man, it's
For a bond.
crazy. Huh?
It's for your bond hearing, so it's
Just bond.
Yep.
I guess just for myself, it's okay. I don't have to talk to her, Your Honor.
So you're going to decline the attorney?
he's saying he's declining an attorney for the bond.
Okay. All right, Mr. Williams, today it's just an arraignment. Today is, I'm going to put you on judicial notice of the charges that are formally brought against you. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand you have the right to an attorney, but you're declining it for this arraignment purposes, correct?
Yes, sir.
I have a felony complaint. Again, it's just allegations. They're alleging that on July 6th of 2021 at 24,260 Beverly Road, the complainant victim, a Kenneth Tyree Pridgett, they're charging you with one count of assault with a dangerous weapon, also known as felonious assault. They're alleging you did make an assault upon a Kenneth Pridgett with a dangerous weapon, to wit, a handgun. but without intending to commit the crime of murder or inflict great bodily harm less than the crime of murder. That's in violation of 750.82. It's a felony that if you're found guilty, you could be sentenced up to 4 years in jail and fined up to $2,000, DNA to be taken upon arrest. Count 2 charges you with felony firearm. They're alleging that you did have on your person or in your possession a firearm, to wit a handgun, at the time he committed or attempted to commit a felony, to wit felonious assault in violation of 750.227B. It's a felony that if you're found guilty, you could be sentenced up to 2 years consecutively with any preceding term of imprisonment imposed for the felony or attempted felony, and mandatory forfeiture of the weapon or the device. The court shall order the law enforcement to collect DNA identification profiling sample before sentencing or disposition if not taken at arrest. Mr. Williams, these are serious charges. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. If you're indigent, can't through the help of your family or friends secure the money to hire an attorney, the court could appoint one to represent you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say orally and or in writing can be used against you in court. He's been fingerprinted, correct?
Yes, sir.
The next step in these proceedings is what's called a preliminary examination. That's not a trial at which your guilt or innocence to be established. It's a hearing to determine if there's enough evidence to hold you for trial. Since you don't have an attorney present today, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. We're going to schedule this matter for what's called a probable cause hearing. Case number on this, Sergeant, is 21-0566.
Got it.
His probable cause hearing is going to be on July 21st of this year, 8:30 a.m. in Judge Oakley's courtroom by Zoom. We're to the bond portion of this case. Sergeant, any comments on bond?
From my understanding, the detective in charge, she asked for 20,000, 10%, and no contact with victim.
And looking at this case with the location on Beverly Road, is that where Mr. Pritchett lives?
Yes.
Their brother and sister, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Williams, you live on Swan Lake Drive in Romulus, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your phone number ends in 7477, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pay close attention to detail. You cannot return to be in or around or near 34260 Beverly Road.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're to have no third party contact. You can't send a message to a family member or friend to Mr. Pritchett. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
No cell phone, text messaging, or any social media contact. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your bond is $15,000, 10% with those conditions.
What would that be, sir?
1,500.
So you tell me I need 1,500 to get out of jail right now?
Yes.
What the fuck?
Sergeant, we're good?
Yes, Magistrate.
That's that case. Now we're going to move on to your next case, Mr. Williams. You have a case operating while visibly impaired. It has an offense date back in April of 2019. You went before Judge Green on this case. You violated, you have an outstanding money amount on this case. You owe $1,754. The court hasn't seen or heard from you since 2019. I'm going to turn this case over to collections and the probation department. You'll get a notice in the mail when to meet by Zoom with probation and with the collections department.
Okay.
Your bond on this case, it's $5,000 personal. You can't purchase, consume, or possess any mood altering substance, including alcohol, while on that bond. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Case number on that case, Sergeant, 19-1513. 19-1513.
Okay.
That wraps up this arraignment.
Thank you, Magistrate.
All right, you have a good day.